Your debut song, which was Dukhi Dukhi, it is such a peppy number. How old were you, if you remember? And is there any story that you can share? How was it recording for the first time?
My debut song was actually in '94 when I sang Shastra. I sang for the movie called Shastra. It was called Ladki Diwani Dekho Ladka Diwana, and I was 11 years old. I sang for the actress of the film. She was 19. All I remember is that's the day I started drinking tea because I was having a little sore throat, and Adesh ji, late Adesh Srivastav ji, who gave me this break, he offered me tea, and I said I don't drink tea, and she said, "Arey beta, pee ke dekh, bahut acha lagega." I said okay, and I loved it so much. Then I got kind of addicted to tea. I really liked tea. So yeah, that was my very first song. Must happened about 3-4 years later when I was 15, but yeah, that was the break which changed everything. I started singing more songs from that song onwards, that movie onwards, because it was a break with 3 songs in one film, and that too for Urmila Matondkar, so it was like a dream.
Can you sing a few lines of that?
Sing now? Okay. रुकी रुकी थी जिंदगी, झट से चल पड़ी, हुई खुशी से दोस्ती, मजा ले ले हर घड़ी, या
This song, Kaisi Paheli from the movie Parinita, I think it's a very unique song, and I think that because I love that song. What's your story to it? Do you remember how it was recording? Anything?
So when I sang the song, I had no idea who it was going to be picturized on. Raima Sen had come to the studio to just watch me sing. I thought maybe it's for her. So I still did what I would do anyway. And then one day I see this song on TV and I see Rekha ji miming to my voice. And I was shocked as hell because first of all, she made my voice sound so beautiful on her face, the way she acted. Nobody else could have done that better than her. So that's a little snippet. I had no clue that I was. I mean, mostly when I sing for movies, I don't ask who I'm singing for. That's not so important because it's the lyrics that I pay attention to, and whatever the song is saying, I just sing it from my heart. And I always believe that it's the expression of the singer and the actress that matches. It's never the voice anyway, because and look at Rekha ji. I mean, I was a much younger voice for her face, but she made it her own. It looked like she was singing it. So that's the power of the actor that she is. Yeah.
Again, do you mind singing that song a little bit?
नहीं 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 ये बातें हैं पुरानी, ओ कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी, ला 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 ला, zoo 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 zoo.
Does AI scare you? I mean, it can make anyone sing. It can also mimic your voice. So, what's your take on that?
I think anyone was able to sing even before AI, thanks to autotune and everything. It doesn't matter, honestly. It's okay. These things are for fun. Of course, don't abuse it. If you can, have fun with it and then forget about it, because you cannot deny the human touch. The voice that does something to you, the feel that AI can never replicate that. So it's okay. Let people have fun. I don't mind it. I would myself would love to hear an old favorite song of mine which is sung by somebody else, to hear it in my voice. It's just for fun, So it's okay.
Have you experienced that before?
No. I did hear something, but I don't think AI could get my voice that correct now.
Right.
I don't think so.
Is there a song that you love listening to while you're driving or you're working out? Or
There are many. There's a whole playlist, so it will be difficult to pick one. But recently I've been glued to Flowers by Miley Cyrus. Yeah.
Any Bollywood song that you
Chhela. I really enjoyed singing Chhela. Yeah. Chhela, wo mera chhela, roam roam mein hai phela, kaise kar gaya mujhko pagal. Chhela इश्क जैसे मेरा पहला, कैसे कर गया मुझको पागल।
Okay, I promise this is the last one to make you sing. Your latest song from this movie, Sajna Ve Sajna, the song. How was your experience singing that?
Well, they reused the old song in here. I'm glad that what they've done with the track is nice. It's pleasing to the ears. Not changed. They didn't change much. I think I like the video. I like how Shehnaz has performed the song, and I'm happy that one really nice song has been revived. And I'm going to be singing it on stage. I always sing it, but now that it's out again, it'll be fun to sing it again. Yeah.
Can you sing a few lines of that song for us?
मन साथ समंदर डोल गया जो तू आंखों से बोल गया, हो मन साथ समंदर डोल गया जो तू आंखों से बोल गया, ले तेरी हो गई यार सजना वे सजना, ओ सजना मेरे यार सजना वे सजना।
Awesome. We have a fun game for you.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's like
I have never.
and I have.
You
So
just have to flash it.
yeah,
To which side?
the camera. So your first question is: have you ever hated a fan? Okay.
I'll be honest.
Have you ever Googled?
Because that fan was a stalker. That's why.
Next question would be: have you ever Googled yourself?
Yeah. Of course.
Have you ever stalked another singer?
Stalked. I wish I could.
Have you ever lied in an interview?
I must have.
Have you ever cringed at your own performance?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Very
Have you
much.
ever checked your fan's social media account?
No. Fans' social media account? No.
Yes. Your last and final question is: have you ever stolen food from a kid?
Ah.
All right. So, if you could dedicate a song for Bangalore weather, which song would you sing for Bangalore weather?
ये साजिश है बूंदों की, कोई ख्वाहिश है चुप चुप सी, ये साजिश है बूंदों की, कोई ख्वाहिश है चुप चुप सी, देखो ना देखो ना।
Beauty. And if you could sing a song for Bangalore traffic.
ओ जो गयो जो गयो ओ जो गयो निहड़यो।
हुक हो गया हूँ तेरे साउंड पे 93.5 रेड एफएम
बजाते रहो